Hi, welcome back to the Callaghan Community Garden. My name's Rowan and today I'm going to show you how to plant out your seedlings into the garden. Now many people may have grown their seedlings from seed at home, but today we're going to show you how to do it from a punnet. First up, what you need to do is get your soil prepared. So what we do here is we need to aerate it. We need to dig up this soil, make sure it's nice and loose, so then when we put the seedlings into the ground, the roots can really start to explore, they can get out and establish themselves really well. So that's nice and aerated. And then what we need to do is get our punnet. So with punnets, one of the easiest ways to get them out is give them a gentle squeeze around the edge and then tip them over. As you can see, it's come out quite easily. That way you're not pulling from the top and risking the chance of ripping the top part of the plant away from its roots. Next, what we need to do is we need to thin it out. One of the biggest things that we see at the garden is people coming over first time gardening and they dig a hole and put this whole thing into the ground. The problem with that is all those seedlings are competing for the same space, which means they're not going to grow as big, you're not going to get as much food out of it. So what we need to do is thin it out. So to thin it out, you just need to gently break off a section of this punnet and then thin it out until it becomes the one plant. As you can see here, we have one plant. So then what we need to do is dig a small hole, pretty much the same as what we have here, and then put it in the ground. Then firm all the soil up around it, which is nice and easy. And there you have it, we have a seedling in the ground. From there, you just need to water it, just keeping it wet enough so it's not going to dry out. We do have another tip for you as well. What we do find here at the garden as well is if we put some of these plants in the ground and they are still a little bit frail, they seem like they could get attacked or they might not cope with a little bit of weather. What we do is we chop a water bottle in half, take the lid off and whack that over top. That way we can leave it there for about a week or so. That way it's protected from all the elements, protected from any animals, anything like that. It gives it a chance to establish, and then after that we take it off, water it as normal, and it'll continue to grow and thrive. Thank you very much for joining us again at the Callaghan Community Garden. If anyone has any questions, hit us up on the Callaghan Community Garden Facebook page or flick us an email at student-life@newcastle.edu.au. Thanks again.